Etsy listings with a video get twice as many orders as listings with just photos. And I'm just literally quoting the blue pop-up box that they have in their listing page, but 100% increase in sales by doing this part of listing optimization is definitely not something to ignore. So we should take advantage of this by having videos in our listings. For physical product sellers, it's pretty straightforward since you already have your product on hand. You could take videos of your products or take videos of your creation process. If you sell digital products like templates, you could take a screen recording of your editing process or maybe do a sneak peek of what your inside pages look like. But what about shops selling print on demand where you don't have physical copies on hand? Well, you could always order samples, but if you have hundreds, even potentially thousands of listings, that's not really cost-effective or practical, right? So one option is to create a slideshow of all your different variations in color, size, shape, whatever. And there are definitely a lot of ways to do this. But I have just found the quickest and easiest way to do this, and it came from a tool that I was not expecting. Allura had just launched this new feature where you could generate videos in just a matter of seconds. Let me show you how. So we are on the Allura dashboard. And to get this working, of course, you need an account and you need to have your Etsy shop connected first. You can do that by going to settings, then integrations, and just connect your shop and follow the steps there. Next, go to operations, then listing optimization. You might need to press this button on the upper right to sync to your listings on Etsy. Now, Allura does have this scoring system for how optimized your listing is with suggestions on how to improve it, but I won't go into that in this video. What we want is all the way down the page here in the video section. Now, you should already have all your listing photos uploaded, and all you need to do is click on Generate Video. You'll get to choose from 3 video styles. First is the Gallery Glide, which is what I use. You select exactly 5 photos, no more, no less. It starts with a zoom out effect, then shows the other listing images. And this is great for showing variations. Then we have the Gentle Reveal, which just needs 1 image. And it just has this zoom out effect. And it's super simple and quick. Then we have the Rapid Showcase. This one is my least favorite because it's a bit too fast for me. And the zoom out happens in the middle of the slideshow for some reason, but you'll need to select 8 listing images for this one. Since Allura is a research tool, I'm gonna trust that these formats are based on their own research and findings on what retains attention and performs well for their conversions. But if you're into A/B testing different elements in your listing, then you could definitely experiment and see which one works best for you. Once you've picked your video style, just click Generate Video again. Wait a few seconds. Then hit Publish here on the upper right. And it will automatically upload the video to your Etsy listing, whether that's already published or saved as a draft. And that's it. It's super quick. It would take me on average just 10 seconds to generate a video and then publish them. Now there is a bit of a caveat, and that this is a paid tool. And just to be clear, this video isn't sponsored, but I have been trying a bunch of different tools to create videos for me with this type of effect. And these types of tools always have some kind of cost or subscription attached to them. Like I've tried Placeit, and while they do have a wide range of different options for models wearing your products, the rendering time takes a bit too long, even longer than it takes me to make new designs for my shirts. I've also tried AI-based video generators, but somehow my design gets messed up in some way or form. And then there's Canva, which is a free tool, and you can make slideshow types of videos real easy with them. But because Canva automatically assigns 5 seconds per image, you would have to manually adjust them to 1 to 2 seconds each. And so that would take a few extra minutes for each video. I'll even admit that in the beginning of my print-on-demand journey, I had been using these generic videos where there is a model wearing a blank version of the shirt I was selling, And also these type of comfort color videos where there are no models, just this showcase of different comfort color shirts. And I had been using these just for the sake of having videos because I thought that it would help with my SEO. But really the main purpose of having a video is to help convert your customers and help provide more information to them in just a few seconds. From a user experience perspective, especially if they're browsing on desktop, if they hover over your thumbnail and then they suddenly get switched over to this type of video where there is no design on it, it might cause some confusion and might discourage them from clicking. Or if you're running ads, they might click, yes, but if it turns out that it's not exactly what they're looking for, then that is ad spend down the drain. So yeah, I've switched my entire inventory over to having this type of video. And for about 200 listings, that only took me like less than 3 hours to generate videos for all of them. Again, this is not sponsored by Allura, but if you want to check out their pricing plans, feel free to check out their website. This feature is available in their first paid tier. And if you want to support this currently unmonetized channel, feel free to use my referral link in the description box below. But if you're already subscribed to Allura for all of their other features like research, optimization, analytics, well, just know that this feature is already available and you can start generating videos for your listings right away. I hope you found this video helpful. Feel free to leave in the comments what tool you're currently using to make videos for your print-on-demand listings. And I'll see you on the next one.